Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make the crochet bottle cover. For this pattern you will need 3 color of cotton thread. This is a silk cotton thread. And you take your bottle and first you measure the diameter and then you start your project. And this is a 2.5 mm crochet hook. Let us start. Make slip knot. And make 4 chains. Count as a 1 chain and 1 double crochet, and you go to the 4th chain from your hook and make 1 double crochet. You make 12 double crochet in the same stitch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And then you join the beginning chain with slip stitch. I have completed my first round. For next round, make 3 chain, count as a first DC. You make 1 more DC in the same stitch. Go to the next stitch, make 2 DC. You repeat 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and you repeat the same stitch in this round. I have completed my second round. For third round, make 3 chain, go to the next stitch, make 1 DC stitch, and go to the next, you make 2 DC stitch in the same stitch, and you make 2 DC in the next 2 stitches. In the third stitch you make 2 DC. And you repeat the same stitch in this round. Hello friends, I have completed my third round, and this is the size for bottle diameter. This is the actual size of my bottle. Bottom part of this diameter of the bottle. If you take the small size bottle, then you decrease one row. If you want to make the big size bottle, then you increase one more lines. And now I am starting the pattern of this bottle cover. So start from 4 chains, and you skip the next stitch, go to the next and make one single crochet. You make 4 chain, skip the next stitch, go to the next and make one single crochet. You make this type of loops in this round. You repeat the pattern. You repeat this stitch in this round. Hello friends, I have completed the loop stitch round, and then make one chain and make one double crochet in the very first stitch, or you insert your hook in the very first loop and make one double crochet. Now I am making the 4th chain and go to the next loop and make one single crochet. You make 4 chain, go to the next loop, and make one single crochet. You repeat the same stitch in this round. Friends, I have completed my second row loop stitch, and this is the last stitch. Here I have made 1, 2, 3, 4 chain and go to the very first stitch of the, and here I am making one slip stitch, and go to the, for next round, go to the loop with slip stitch, and this is the very first loop of the previous round, and make 3 chain, count as a first DC stitch, and make 2 more double crochet or DC in the same loop. And now I am going to the next loop and make 3 double crochet. Then I am going to the next loop and make 3 double crochet, and you repeat the same stitch in this round, or same pattern in this round. Go to the next loop and make 3 double crochet. I have completed the previous round, and now for next round make 4 chain, and you skip the 3 stitches and go to the next stitch or fourth stitch and make one single crochet. Then you make 1 2 3 4 chain and go to the, you skip the next 3 DC stitch and go to the next stitch and make one single crochet. And you repeat the same loop stitch in this round, and you repeat the next line also, next row also you repeat the same stitch, and then you repeat the 3 DC stitch and you repeat the same pattern as per your required length for bottle cover. Hello friends, I have completed my bottle's length, and this is my required length. And then I am starting for next round. For make 1 2 3 chain, go to the, you skip the 2 stitches, go to the third stitch and make one single crochet. You make loop stitch in this round, same loop stitch. Hello friends, I have completed my loop stitch round, and then make 3 chain, count as a first DC stitch, and make 2 more DC stitch in the same loop. Then I am going to the next loop and make 3 DC stitch. And you repeat the same stitch, same pattern in this round. I have completed this round, and this is the last round of the bottle cover. Now I am making the handle part of this bottle cover, so I am taking the required size, required length of my cover. So I am taking here 50 to 60 chains. Sorry dear, I am taking the 100 chains, and then I am going to the center part of the other side, and here I am joining it with slip stitch. You make 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches and turn your work, and then you making 1 DC in every stitch of this chain. Hello friends, I have completed my DC stitch, and now you skip the 2 stitches, go to the 3rd stitch and make 1 slip stitch and cut the extra yarn. Hello friends, I have finished my crochet bottle cover. This is the handle portion, and this is a very easy and quick pattern for this bottle cover. And now you can attach some flowers, this type of flowers you can attach or insert it in the handle portion. Here you attach it and it looks beautiful. Thanks for watching my videos, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.